Hello everyone. So the plan for today is to replace the HRV ventilation system, the filters for it. So at this place I've got 3 units. One is here, the other one is over there, and the third unit is over there, and I've got about 7 outlets. So I was quoted about $580 to get all 3 units filter changed. I found replacement ones. These are the supercell filters. They are HRV compatible, and they were only like, I think I paid $160 for 3 of them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing I noticed is got tabs here, plastic tabs around it, and it's got screw as well. So we'll take the screw out, undo the tabs. This whole thing should drop down, and the filter should be just sitting up here. Okay, screws are out, so undo the tabs. One on this side and the other one on this side. So once the tabs are done, go gently pull it down. There we go. Put it there, and there should be the filter there. So all it is just a fan there. All it does is pulls warm air in from the roof, or overnight when it's cool you can adjust the temperature. So all it does is pulls the air in through the filter and through the duct to the outlets. So the replacement filter is here. Just gotta be careful. So gotta follow the arrow, the airflow arrow direction. So because the air is going from the top going out to the outlets, should be in the down position, and this should just fit in there. It's a bit hard with one hand, but I should get it. I'm just gonna put the camera down so I can use both hands. Okay, the filter is in. So I'm gonna put this cover back on, the outlet one. Okay, so my all 4 tabs are in. Just gonna attach the 2 screws which were installed, front and back, and this one should be finished. Okay, so the 2 screws are in and all 4 tabs are in. So this unit is all finished. I still gotta do 2 more, and then I'll have to do a reset into the control panel for the filter replacement sequence. Another thing I realized, I can actually add one more unit. It's got an outlet here, but 3 is enough for the size of the house I've got. It's pretty simple design, but works pretty good, especially in the winter time. Stops all that condensation building up, because it's always pumping air in the house, creating a positive airflow. Alright, without further ado, I'll finish those 2, then probably do a quick video how to do a filter reset. So I've turned the unit on. As you can see, it's running. So I'll show you a quick menu for filter change. So you gotta go menu, next, about your HRV, keep tapping. Then you're going to go next, and then filter reset. Yes, I've already reset it, so it's setting 100%. Go back to menu. So that's how you reset it. And that's how you change the fan settings. Okay, so took me about 15 minutes to change all 3 filters, and price was $160. I was quoted $580 for the technician to come out and do it. But if you can, probably do it yourself. You get replacement filters here in New Zealand. Bunnings sells them, so, or you can order. There's some websites as well. You can order them. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.